Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Someone is asking me if I could create a video explaining the process of calculating series of operations with multiple mathematical operations. So many of these concepts are trending just a Facebook or whatever social media about what is really the correct answer of a particular series of operation. Okay, so let's have a quick review about that one. So let's try to learn math the easy way. Now, I have here prepared two different conditions. So the other one, I was able to see it in, I think, a competition. And many are asking, is that really the correct answer? So the question is this one, 1,000 minus 500 times 2. And the answer was, if I still remember it right, the answer was 1,000. And it was declared as correct. And many are saying, oh, it's not the correct answer. The correct answer is like this. The correct answer is like that. Now, let me explain it to you. 1,000 minus 500 times 2. How are we? So this is an example of series of operation. So how are we going to compute, or what is the correct way of calculating this particular operation? So I know you are all familiar with this. We have the PEMDAS. Before, I remember it GEMDAS, or it was already changed to GEMDAS. Kay P is for parentheses, E is for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So I think recently it was changed to GEMDAS. Kay we're trying to make, instead of parentheses, we try to make the use groupings. Kay not all the time we are using parentheses as a grouping symbol. We can have the bracket, we can have the braces. But of course, any of those are considered grouping symbols. Now, let's go back to the equation or to the expression 1,000 minus 500 times 2. Now, what do we mean by parentheses or PEMDAS? Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now, this concept meaning is when we are going to have a series of operation, whatever is present, we always start with the parentheses or the grouping symbol. After the grouping symbol, we proceed to the exponent. Next is multiplication and division can be interchanged. Whoever comes first from left to right, that would be the operation that you're going to use or to start. And same as with addition and subtraction. Whatever comes first, you are going to perform that operation. But between multiplication and division, or multiplication and addition, so always starts with multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction, which means in a series of operation, always lasts either addition or subtraction. Now, from this equation, 1,000 minus 500 times 2, we have two operations involved. We have the subtraction and the multiplication. So, of course, using the concept of PEMDAS, we are going to start with, okay, so between the two operations, we are going to start with, of course, multiplication. So, which means, from the equation or from the series of operation, 1,000 minus 500 times 2, that is 1,000 minus 1,000. Why? We try to multiply 502 first. That is applying the concept of PEMDAS. Multiplication first before subtraction. So 500 times 2, that gives you 1,000. And 1,000 minus 1,000, of course, that gives you 0. So the correct answer in that expression is 0, not 1,000. Okay, so I hope I make it clear. Now, there is another expression, this one. 8 divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 plus 2. I was able to see this expression during the International Mathematics Day. Then some are answering 1, some are answering 16, some are answering, I think I was able to see 8, I was able to see 0, or common is 16 and 1. But the question is, what is really the correct answer? 16 ba or 1? Now again, let's have the PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, and addition. So obviously, from the equation or from the expression, it's very clear that we need to start with the expression inside the parentheses, which is 2 plus 2. So that makes it 8 divided by 2 times 4. Okay, perform the operation inside the parentheses first. Next, we have two operations left. Division and multiplication. Now, what comes first? In the PEMDAS, multiplication comes first before division. But actually, again, as I have told you earlier, the two operations could be interchanged whoever comes first from the left side of the equation, which means we are going to start with 8 divided by 2. So this expression now becomes 4 times 4. We start with 8 divided by 2. So next is we have, after dividing it, so we have one operation left, and obviously 4 times 4 is 16, which means the expression 8 divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 plus 2 is equal to 16. So I hope I was able to make it clear on what is really the proper way of calculating series of operation. So again, we start with parentheses, then exponent, multiplication and division, whoever comes first. Oh, so mura siyang first come, first serve. Between multiplication and division, and same thing with addition and subtraction. Whoever comes first. So, I hope you learned something from this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you on the next video.